Hey there! In today's video, I will show you the 10 best templates in hosting your website builder to help you find the perfect design. Let's check them out. Online website builders are great for making a website quickly and easily without coding or spending time on a complicated web design. Even though you can customize any template to match your needs, choosing one that fits your niche will speed up the overall process. Remember that you can type in your keyword and search for any website template in hosting your website builder if you wish, as there are dozens of options to choose from. That being said, I've listed the 10 most popular design templates in hosting your website builder, including designs for e-commerce sites, blogs, and online portfolios. Let's begin with our first entry. Blick is a great choice if you want to create a captivating landing page for your products or services. The template's overall design is modern and sleek, using sans serif typefaces and an interesting color scheme that combines bold and punchy colors such as purple, pink, and black. It also doesn't shy away from using white spaces in some sections to improve readability. You will immediately attract visitors' attention with a clear title within the hero image section. The call to action buttons are placed strategically, making them easily eye-catching. It is also easy to grow your customer database using the built-in newsletter forms on the page footer. A good online portfolio can help you attract clients and land new gigs. As one of the most popular portfolio templates in hosting your website builder, Adelina can help you achieve this. This template is specifically crafted for graphic designers and illustrators. The overall design style is casual yet captivating. It combines a predominantly black background with purple and white accents, making the site content look more striking visually. Using a contemporary geometric typeface on most of its headings and the asymmetric gallery placement lets you express your free and creative personality as a professional artist. Potential clients can easily get in touch with you by filling out the contact form or clicking the social media icons. Good news makes building a blog or news website easy. The template has multiple pages for different post categories to help you organize your content. Visitors can go to a specific category by clicking the buttons on the homepage, making it simple for them to explore and find the content they need. Adding an article to the featured category can make it appear under the top story section on your homepage. This is useful to highlight or drive more traffic to specific content. The overall layout and design looks clean, uncluttered, and professional, with a white background for readability and an orange accent which you can change to fit your brand colors. Good News has a dedicated page where visitors can submit their stories by filling out a form. Choose this design template if you publish content covering numerous different topics. Hosting your website builder offers several home decor and real estate website templates, and Presson is one of them. This template uses a horizontal stripe layout with contrasting colors to highlight important content like pictures or project descriptions. The cool color tones help you convey a sense of calmness and simplicity, perfect for showcasing modern architecture or interior design. Each project page lets you present important details effectively. This template includes slide animation for elements adding flavor to its minimalistic style. Overall, Presson can make your real estate website look professional and trustworthy. The next entry on our list is Poveda, a great template for travel or retreat websites. Its hero section lets you use a full-sized, high-quality picture to inform what your website is all about at first glance. Poveda can get visitors' attention immediately with a clear heading, a brief description, and a call to action button. This template uses a monochromatic palette that combines two different shades of green that help convey a sense of harmony and elegance. Because of that, Poveda works well to promote activities like hiking tours or yoga retreats. The minimalistic color scheme also helps highlight pictures on your web pages. Poveda combines a serif typeface for its content headings with a sans serif for the paragraphs. Such a combination improves readability and precise content hierarchy, making it easier for users to digest the information. Dossenbach's monochromatic color palette and use of serif typeface for its headings make a clean and elegant looking website design. The white background with shades of gray accent makes this template suitable for medical services like clinics or mental health centers. Its homepage has an intuitive layout design with pre-made call to actions for booking services or contacting your business. Dossenbach is a versatile website template. It includes e-commerce functionality where visitors can book and pay for services. Unitis ticks all the important factors of a good charity project website. The template features a large and easy to read headings on its homepage, letting you draw attention to the project's message and goals. Most of its pages have a hero image with a clear call to action button for donation opportunities. Clicking this button will take visitors to the donation page where they can choose a donation amount from the drop-down menu. The overall design appears uncluttered and offers plenty of white space alongside darker accents for readability. Of course, you can always change the color scheme to match your brand or project. Lilo is an excellent website template for educational or technology industries. The color palette mainly consists of blue, a popular color choice for many tech-based brands because it is often associated with imagination and intelligence. It uses pink color for important lines of text and components like call to actions to make them stand out from other design elements. This template features pre-made pages for contact forms, services, and blogs. These include intuitive and clean layouts, letting you launch your website quickly without making too many adjustments. Want to create a cool website to promote your music? Then Niqvist is a great choice for you. It's great for portfolios, e-commerce, and blogging websites. The music page is designed to showcase your discography and provide links to popular music streaming platforms. Niqvist also makes selling merchandise easier with its built-in online store feature. It includes the shopping bag button on the header, allowing visitors to easily access their cart. Additionally, you can provide updates about your latest releases and recent activities using the blog post and the tour schedule section on the homepage. Stornoway focuses on implementing a more industrial approach to its design. It displays essential sections for services, business descriptions, and career opportunities without distracting visitors with too many aesthetic flares. This allows Stornoway to showcase a more professional and rather serious look. The layout and color scheme are also rather straightforward, with a balanced ratio of black and white. You can balance the monochromatic looks with high-quality pictures with bright and highly saturated colors. Overall, Stornoway is an excellent choice if you prefer a sleek design that prioritizes functionality. And there you have it, my 10 recommendations for website template designs and hosting your website builder. To check the templates on my list and other stunning designs, visit Hosting Your Website Builder's page where you can start your website building journey. Don't forget to use our coupon code HA10 to get 10% off your purchase. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to Hosting Your Academy for more website building tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.